The official solicitor comes with the devil. These are the points. That contempt was done in the face of the court, meaning first you have to write the contempt was done in the face of the court, its meaning. Then Balloch versus St. Albans Crown. Then Balloch's description: he was a young man, son of the distinguished economist Lord Balloch, played a practical joke and found himself sentenced to the imprisonment for 6 months. Then the Melford Stevenson J. sentenced him 6 months imprisonment. Then Mr. Balloch wished to the appeal. He wrote the official solicitor. Then official solicitor, you have to read the importance of it. Most useful person takes a special interest in persons committed for the contempt of the court because they are stubborn, obstinate. Then quite often, wife gets an order against her husband for a sale of the house. Then he disobeys it and is committed for the contempt of the court. Then next is the Danchesquire versus Danchesquire. Such persons often to do anything to purge their contempts. They sit sullenly, aggrieved in their prison cells. Then the official solicitor took up the case of Mr. Balloch and appealed to the court. Respond. Who will respond? The judge cannot be sued, served, or summoned for anything he does as a judge. These are the points. This you have to elaborate in your own sentence. So invited the Attorney General as an amicus curiae, the friend of the court. Attorney General appointed Treasure Devil, Mr. Gordon Salin. Then the Treasure Devil's description, and it's the last paragraph of this case. So I have just wrote the elaboration of these points. Then the Melford Stevenson J. sentenced 6 months imprisonment to the Mr. Balloch's son. Then Danchesquire versus the Danchesquire. Here it is a short case. The Treasure Devil is the best of devils. Mr. Gordon Salin was outstanding, the best I have ever known. He will go far. So here we have completed this case. This is the short points, because in the last moment it is not possible to read the whole story. So it is the best way to take out the short notes or the short points of such cases. Because we are not having only the one case, we are having 20 to 30 cases like that. So it's better to take out the points.